Saan aabot ang pickleball addiction mo? So here we are in Magnum Sports Complex to do our pickleball training. So let's go.
Unang ginawa namin is mga forehand drives. Pinactice kung anong proper way ng pag-hit ng ball and yung proper footing namin. So, ito na. At next naman itong backhand. Grabe, ang awkward talaga ng position, but with proper instructions at proper training, ito ginaid ako para kung ano talaga ang gawin. With these instructions, nagawa naman natin ng maayos. So here it goes. At dito naman ginawa na yung combination ng forehand at backhand para malaman kung meron bang na-absorb sa tinuro kanina. At ang last part ng session ay yung mga volleys. Yung forehand volley, tapos gagawin din yung backhand in a little while. Then the same kanina, combination ng forehand at backhand. And for this training, I've been using the Warping Point Ascent Control.